Ja, ich glaube, erst zwei Drittel haben wir wirklich super gespielt. Sind zwar 1-0 geschossen, aber wir haben gleich gut geantwortet. Wir haben im Großen und Ganzen eine super Partie gemacht. Wir haben auch in den dritten Drittel die ersten 5 Minuten ein bisschen zu passiv gewesen, aber nichtsdestotrotz, glaube ich, haben wir eine super Partie geliefert.
Was hat Bozen heute deiner Meinung nach im Gegensatz zu Push besser gemacht? Mehr geskatet, mehr Schüsse aufs Tor gekriegt?
Ja, ich glaube, es war ein hart umkämpftes Spiel für beide Mannschaften. Derby ist halt ein bisschen was anderes. Aber ich glaube, wir haben es vom Freitag mitgenommen. Wir haben die ersten zwei Drittel wirklich super gespielt, sind gut gestanden, haben wenig jemanden zugelassen. Der Tormann hat zwar super Saves gemacht und im Großen und Ganzen haben wir einfach gewonnen.
Sì, portare a casa un derby è sempre importante, soprattutto iniziando fuori casa. Penso che abbiamo iniziato molto bene la partita, primo e secondo tempo, poi Brunico è venuto fuori nel terzo tempo bene e noi siamo stati un po' lenti nelle ripartenze, però siamo riusciti a portare comunque a casa 3 punti.
Well, I thought we got I don't think we got away from our game. I think that PUS-HCB did a great job of forcing us, and they were stretching guys out, and we just had some trouble with their speed coming into that third period, and they were determined to get back into the game, and we had a couple of turnovers, and but overall we come out of here with the 3 points that we wanted. I thought when you come into these games in such an exciting environment and the home team is ready to explode, the fans are ready to explode, if you can jump out to a lead, it kind of takes away a bit of that enthusiasm and the momentum for the fans. And I thought we just played very smartly in the first half of the game. And again, I think that pressure forces some bad decisions, and we have a long way to go, and we have lots of games remaining in the season, but we still are going to have to be a lot better than what we were tonight if we want to be real serious about being a good hockey team.